So the question is, how do you maintain your vehicle throughout the different seasons? And really, it all boils down to each season. If you keep a layer of wax on your vehicle, you're going to protect the clear coat on your vehicle longer. So for instance, in winter, a lot of people park outside. It snows, you get snow in your car, it gets ice, and what happens is that stuff starts melting and it slides off your vehicle. Well, some of that ice is still hard, right? So it can scratch up your clear coat, mar it up a little bit. But by keeping a layer of wax in between your clear coat and that ice, it'll help maintain the clear coat on your vehicle longer. It's kind of the same thing too in the summer, right? In the summertime, you get all kinds of elements coming at you. I mean, you start to get pollen at certain times of the year, but bugs are a big thing. Now, bugs are very, very hard to remove if you don't remove them when they're still wet. A bug hits your car, it's wet, let's say it dries. What happens when it dries is they're acidic, so they start eating into your clear coat. So you want to remove those as quick as you can. But if you always have a layer of wax on there, it's going to prevent it from actually sticking to your vehicle, and it makes it come off a little bit easier. So by keeping that layer of wax on there, you're really protecting the finish of your car for a lot longer. Especially in Colorado too, we're a mile above sea level, right? The sun is pretty intense out here, so another reason to keep a layer of wax on your vehicle is to protect that clear coat.